Hi everyone, we are Airsoft Taiwan. Today I would like to tell you there's a new company called YSC and they are released a new upgrade parts for the WETA 2015. That is the T90 we know. Okay, the new item is the aluminum bolt carrier. It is the CNC and it's made from the 70-75 aluminum. And the big difference between the original is when I rotate the bolt carrier, you can see they skip a rail guide, nozzle guide actually. So the original design there comes with two nozzle guides inside this bolt carrier, and this upgrade one they are only offering one nozzle guide. And the original bolt carrier itself is weight about 134 grams, and the YSC upgrade one is weight about 60 grams. It is significantly lighter than the original. And then the whole bolt carrier set, including everything, the nozzle, recoil guide tube, everything, it weighs about 218. And if you asking for the new test result, the YSC whole set will weigh about 143. And that's our test today. If you like it, please order from the Airsoft Taiwan online shop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.